Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can fix SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1 mic not working. So basically what you'll need to do is take out your microphone like this and then plug the cable into the port, and basically it should start everything like that. And now what you'll need to do is check if your mic is muted or unmuted. If it is red, it means muted, and not lighting the red, it means not muted. So basically like this is muted and this is not muted. And now what we can do is basically try bending the microphone, because it is a bit loose as you can see at the end. So maybe that is the issue. But if that doesn't help you, what you can try is basically placing into the place and just going out a little bit with the microphone, and then try talking with that. And if that doesn't help, make sure your wire is compatible with the microphone, because other wires is just gives you sound and doesn't take input. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.